Hi guys! So for today's video, we're gonna vlogging I cannot touch color pink. So ngayon, we have 3 lives again and ipopost ko to sa YouTube ko and sub and like and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga video ko. I love you all! Dalian na lang natin. Lang para natin ito matapos. Ay! Buti na lang, hindi ko natapakan. Ang hirap! Why I'm here, guys? Oh, it doesn't count. Kaya ginaganyan ko para hindi ko matapakan yung mga color pink, guys. Thank you. Oh, we have 1 life again. Kasi, what the? Pwede ba, guys? Hindi yun count. Kasi matataya ako, guys. Kasi, it's ba? It's It's a red velvet, guys. It's not counting. We definitely lost again. Ayan. What the heck, man? It's a peach, not pink or red. Oh, the heck, man. Okay, guys. Bye-bye. I'm lost. Bye. Bye, guys. I love you all. Click the notification bell and bye. Thank you, guys, sa mga nagka-copy link and thank you.